Steps to Yonge Street, a quiet, child-friendly cul-de-sac, the coveted Blythewood School District, a wide lot, and it's renovated from top to bottom. 5 Georgian Court is the one that you've been waiting for. How about a tour? Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer with custom niche leads you to a modern powder room with heated floors. The spacious, family-sized renovated kitchen with breakfast bar is stunning, with shaker-style cabinets, quartz counters, and wide plank hardwood flooring. The open concept living and dining room feature built-in cabinets, shelving, and a desk, pot lights, wide plank hardwood flooring, and large sliding doors opening to the oversized patio and backyard. The primary bedroom is roomy with 2 double closets, pot lights, hardwood floors, and a renovated 3-piece ensuite with heated floors. 2 more well-sized bedrooms, each with double closets, hardwood flooring, and pot lights, plus another renovated bathroom with heated floors completes the second floor. The basement features a ton of storage, a large laundry room, and a recreation room with gas fireplace, pot lights, and hardwood flooring. Enjoy entertaining in your fully fenced backyard with gas barbecue hookup, a superb school district, and your walking distance to shops and restaurants. An exceptional location, an exceptional layout, and an exceptional opportunity. Whatever you do, don't miss it. Book your showing today.